Hi, and welcome to the Colossyan Video Learning Center. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about previewing, exporting, and sharing your Colossyan videos. Let's head straight to the editor and start off with different preview options. When you're done with your video, you can preview your voiceovers, which can help with reviewing voices and pronunciation, and even download them before you generate the video. You can also preview individual scenes, which is especially helpful if you have animations. Remember, you will only see avatar lip sync after you generate the video, not during preview. Your scene's audio can also be previewed and downloaded. Next, let's take a look at the global preview. This preview is useful for checking the pace and overall storytelling of your video. To help us understand your preferences, you can also rate the video. When you're happy with the preview, click on Generate. All Colossyan videos with text-to-speech get auto subtitles that can be turned on and off, but you can also get them burnt in case your player doesn't support subtitle control. Your video's resolution can go as high as 4K, but for most videos, HD will do just fine. You can generate your video separately per scene, as well as try out our beta releases in video generation. Keep your videos organized by using folders. This is especially useful if you create a lot of videos. Once you hit Generate, Colossyan will start your video generation. You can work on your other tasks in the meantime, as you'll get an email as soon as your video is ready. Video generation speed will depend on how long your video is, but most short videos will generate in 10 minutes or less. Our generation speed improves all the time, so make sure to keep up with our updates. When your video is ready, you will find it in the Generated section of the platform. You can export it in different formats such as MP4 and SCORM. But keep in mind that SCORM is only available for enterprise creators. With SCORM, you can set your video's completion criteria and track learner engagement directly in your learning management system. If your video is interactive, it can only be downloaded as a SCORM package, shared via a link, or embedded directly on your website. If you don't need to download your video, you can easily share it using a direct link. And if you're an enterprise creator, you can also customize the share page by adding your logo and custom buttons. The embed code can also be found in the share menu, and it's an easy way to integrate your video into any platform of website. Now, let's take a look at the video itself. If you've used a share link or embedded your video, you'll have access to video analytics directly in Colossyan. This is especially helpful if your video includes interactive elements such as quizzes. If you see any issues with your video, you can easily report them using the button under the video. If you want us to check out your video, make sure to share it on socials and tag us. We are active on LinkedIn and are always happy to see your creations. I hope this video helped and that you now have a good idea about how your Colossyan videos can be exported and shared. Thanks for joining this short tutorial, and happy creating.